How you doing, guys? How you doing? Master Kelvin FX here, as usual, bringing you your videos, guys. And this is basically an analysis that I share in our Telegram channels. And let's just jump straight to it. So if you've been aware of Go and following what Go is doing, you know that it's been in a crazy uptrend for a while now. So taking into account the daily time frame, we see this channel, this massive channel, going from March, at the beginning of March, basically around 11th of March, or even further. If we go down, we will see that February start giving us the jump to the upside, a crazy jump. If we basically draw our regression trend here, we will notice this crazy channel to the upside, taking into account some zones as well. For example, this one here gave a really big jump up, that when it was in 2140, but then even further when the goal established this here around this area 1994 or so. So we're talking about since February, we going, even if we go further down, we will see again, if we get our regression channel, this is a massive channel to the upside, guys. It's incredible that I have to be honest that we try to sell in this market. It's been since 2023, around December, November, even before I think October, when it started this jump up. So it's crazy how gold has been behaving since this since last October, since October last year. So it's gonna be a year in a total uptrend, guys. We cannot deny that. We see this, we see that gold try to push down, but all the time that was trying to push down, it was simple to take liquidity and keep pushing up. And what will be the difference now, guys? It won't be any difference. We are above 2,400, which is a lot. We are above 2,000. This is a new era for gold. And I assume that it's going to be repeating the same pattern, unless the big boys, they try to put gold down again and bring gold down to this area right here, 2,275, 2,290. That would be an area probably to target. But now we have even a new area, 2,400. If you go stays above the 2,400, guys, and especially if it stays above 2,500, this is going to be crazy. Even if it's still above 2,484, that would be a lot, guys. I just showing you how this craziness has started. But if we go further down with our regression trend tool, we will notice that the uptrend has been for more longer than we basically thought, guys. I've been analyzing gold for a while now, guys. We're talking about October 2022, so 2 years of gold pushing up. We see this consolidation here for a long time that happens when it was this consolidation area 2020 to 2022. Gold was staying and it was easy to trade because the price action was showing consolidation. Intraday was perfect at the time. But now we have this crazy breakout to the downside, going to 1,611. And look at the push up, guys. More than a year pushing up, almost 2 years pushing up. We're talking about a lot of pips right here, guys. We're talking about loads of pips, guys, right now. So we're talking about many pips. Wow, more than 8,000 pips to the upside, guys. That is just insane. I don't know, guys. So whatever. Anyways, let's go to see if I can give you a rough entry. So I say I gave this one because after breaking the all-time high, gold create this now is a support. So it's a very strong support. As long as gold remain above this area specifically, we're gonna keep trying to buy. That's the idea. No sales right now because if you try to sell in this market, it will be without consolidation, without confirmation, guys, because there is no ceiling. There is no ceiling right now. Gold need to form a structure. So my recommendation is to still focus on buys, guys. We know that it's going to retrace. We know it's going to do a healthy retracement. We know all of that, but we also know that it's an uptrend, as I show you guys, and it's a massive uptrend that we are. So the target right now of this channel, the channel that I draw since March 2024, the target is 2,560. That will be the target around that price, guys. So stay tuned. I think gold is gonna push there. So now let's see if we can find again an entry, and the entry will be this one. To be honest, it's not really much to say. I will rather take an entry. If we go to weekly, actually, guys, before that, we notice this weekly candle is a crazy candle, guys. It's just go try to retrace a bit, but look at this push to the upside, guys. We're talking about weekly candle worth around more than 800 pips, the weekly candle. So we have the daily last week as well. So let's see, guys. Once again, I'm expecting gold in this case to retrace and then give us some confirmation. And I think probably 2,486 area to 2,478 would be a good area to try to see if we got any buy confirmation and try to buy gold at least to 2,560. That's the only thing I can say. So my suggested setup would be this one. As long as a gold remains above the price, guys, let's see, above the all-time high, it will be a high possibility that I keep pushing higher. Some people is even see 2,600, but for now, I would try. I once go to break the channel and then to keep pushing up once again. So the entry I'm expecting for this is this one. So let's see what's gonna happen. I expect gold to retrace at least to this area again, and then give us a push up to the end of the channel. All right, that is what I'm expecting from gold. Okay, let's draw it again because the drawing wasn't that good, and then give the coordinates that I'm thinking about. Okay, so this is what I am expecting personally. Okay, guys. Once again, this analysis has been done in daily as well. So for now, let's see what happened. But this is the limit that I'm expecting, and the SL would be below this low here. So this is in 4 hour and 1 hour time frame to decide what's gonna happen. But I think the market will keep pushing up, or we create a correction. This would be the scenario that I'm contemplating right now. So would be a sell to buy, find confirmation. So I think gold will try to push down a bit, probably. But we're gonna reassess again after opening, okay? But for now, this is what I'm thinking. So entry, once again, entry around entry. Okay, entry around 2,486. Okay, to 2,478. That's the buying area that I'm thinking about. But the SL, once again, in this scenario is 2,475. Yep. But is for me would be basically a little bit too much. So let's try to reduce the SL at least 50 to 60 pips, guys. Not really more than that. We're not gonna be too risky, because in the case that gold break this zone, then we're gonna be trying to see what it's gonna do, because it can go even further down and try to retest the area to keep pushing up. But for now, this is a new territory for everybody, for everyone. Gold is above, close above 2,500. So it's probably gonna create a new range between 2,500 and 2,450 around that area. So I believe that's going to happen. So the scenario also could be like this again, that we have a deeper retracement and then target at 2,560. So these are the scenarios that I'm contemplating. So if you look for an entry around this area, and then again around 50 to 60 pips, a sell would be more than enough. But once again, if no, it doesn't work out, then this zone right here, that would be a really good zone to try. So if you can see on daily, at the moment is in progress. The price retrace around this area once again, and then push up to the upside more than 200 pips again. So this is what I'm expecting on gold. Retracement down to go up. That's as simple as that. Gold is just too bullish right now to try to sell. You need good confirmations for selling. As you can see, I show you all the zones that gold has been pushing out for more than 2 years already, and it's just basically that we sometimes, to see the big picture on gold, you need, on any pair that you trade, guys, just see the higher time frame, and it will show you at least daily. It will show you the way, it will show you where the market is going, and then you can make decisions about based on that. Anyways, you know that we are sponsored by PU Prime, and also we're sponsored by Vantage FX, in case you want to join our broker, and in case you want to also be part of the signal groups, let us know, guys, and we're always open to help you in anything. Okay, this is in gold right now. This is what I'm expecting again to hit this zone again, this area. It's a massive area, 2,485 to 2,468 in reality. So it's around 200 pips area, but this is the great area to look for confirmations, and then probably you can have a swing setup. Okay. And now we're gonna go into US30. US30 has been it missed the entry for less than, I think, 50 points, and now is on TP2. So what's gonna happen now? I believe so that US30 can retrace again and give an entry around here. Okay, US30 can go probably target this area right here. If you know, go to the above area. But the point is that US30 is still bullish, guys. So any bullish confirmation, any confirmation to enter for long, just take it, guys, because it's just very bullish. Okay, so I would prefer to take out this area first, to price to close above, and then wait for a retracement on this area and buy on US30. So basically what I'm for something like this. So breakout, close above at least 4-hour candle to close above this area, and then boom, retracement to around this area and buy from around here. Okay, and then target 42,000 at least, or even further. But the question is, as we anticipated, US30 is still very bullish, and I hope that you are benefiting from US30 as well. Amazing. So now, right now, if it hit TP2, I don't know if you guys are being into it and find confirmation. If you did, at the moment, it's more than, it's almost 1,000 points. Okay, now we're moving on just to do a little recap on gold, everything that we suggested, guys. I'm gonna go through different charts, and then you can see what is been going on. So as you can see, this chart that I suggested, it was taken out, but in the end, what happened? It hit the target, 2,500, guys. It hit the target. And there was another shot. We're going back again. As I said, this is just history. Now we're going to ANDA. You know, ANDA, this chart, this one was taken out, this setup for like 30 pips or less. And now the target of this one is 2,500, 460. Sorry, 2,560. So if you've been following the setups and you've been following the trade ideas, guys, I hope that you benefit from that. At the moment, even though the setup was taken out, but is more than 600 pips from the entry area, because in the end, this is the what is important, the zone that I'm suggesting. And then if you find confirmation there, and then you take your entry. It's good to have the entries that specifically, but if you want that, just join the Signal group and we can give you entries, specific entries, and SL and everything, all the coordinates. But for now, just to recap again, now we're gonna go Forex.com. And Forex.com is, well, what we do, we suggest a buy from this zone right here, even below, guys. And at the moment, this one is more than 800 pips from the zone. So this is basically what so you can have an idea about what is been going on, what we've been suggesting, and all the different charts that I've been publishing day by day. This one missed our entry for around 20 pips or less, I think, and then took off. And then this one is now from the area that the price is departed. As you can see, this was the suggested area, all this area here. If you go and recaps in our video, you will notice that. So more than 700 pips as well, which is amazing. So direction wise, we've been working very hard on that, and it's been really, really good. So then we have this setup that we suggested the other day, targeting 2,500. And noticing this setup, guys, this one really hit our entry totally. And then this setup right now from 2,432 is more than 700 pips. So congratulations if you've been following, if you've been on the game with us. And once again, we draw this channel here on this one and suggest a couple of entries as well. But in the end, what has been going on is that gold is really flying. So the last setup, it was missed. this one really hurts. This is the one that I suggested last Friday, and it took off from 2,451 around that area, and it reversed it. And right now, it was missed like by 20 pips or so, but direction wise, again, is really good. It was a targeting 2,500. So this set up more than almost 500 pips. So yeah, guys. Anyways, congratulations if you've been following Master Kevin FX, El Dorado FX. We are here to help you guys. You know that we are here for that. So I hope that you have a nice weekend. I hope that you enjoy your day, the rest of the day, and see you in the next analysis. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.